Hi guys, how are you? Do you want to use Google Gemini like normal apps on your Windows PC or laptops? In this video, I'll show you a very easy way to install Gemini from the Google Chrome. You don't need to download any extra software. So first, open Google Chrome on your computers and go to gemini.google.com. Okay, then sign in with your Google accounts if you are not already signed in. Then uh, once Gemini is open, go to the top right corner on Chrome and click the three dots and from the menu and find the cast and save and share. Okay, then click the install page as app. Okay, I just install it. Yes, it's install it. That is very nice. Okay, Google Gemini will now open in its own window just like a normal Windows applications. So you can find it from start button. Just search here. Yes, you can see it's open. So if you use it regularly, you can pin it your taskbar for quick access. So I think this video is very helpful. So how you can install the Google Gemini as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Network and Beat for more Windows networking, cybersecurity, and IT tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next video.